Okay, ito yung Heron's formula, pero ang kinukuha dito is yung side length. So, imbis na semi-perimeter ang kinukuha o half of the perimeter ng triangle, ito kinukuha yung measurement ng lengths o yung side lengths. Yung mga length sa bawat sulok o bawat side ng triangle, yun ang kinukuha. So, ang formula is 1/4 times the square root of 4a squared b squared minus a squared plus b squared minus c squared. Naka-square yung tatlo sa kanan. Okay? So, ganun lang siya. Heron's formula in terms of side lengths. So, yung madali kasi, ay again, geometry problem to, pero dahil nagtatrigo tayo, sama na rin natin. So, yung geometry principle na semi-perimeter, meaning half perimeter, hindi lang yun. Kasi yun ang kinuha natin kanina. Pero ngayon, ibang variation naman ng Heron's formula. Well, again, siguro kung yung time na to, isinama to ni Miss Acerit o ni Mrs. K lang ngayon, siguro, hindi ko na to kaya. Or kung nasa trigo namin to nung araw, both in high school and college, hindi ko na to makakaya siguro during that time. So, swerte ngayon, walang distraction, kaya okay lang. So, yun lang pa.